our 48-inch wall mount shelf. First off, the overall dimensions. We have a length of 48 inches, depth of 12 inches, and a height with the bottom bracket. We have 11.5 inches tall. Left and right brackets, for each bracket containing 3 slots, which require screws to be inserted and drilled to the wall for mounting. Coming to the left, NSF certification on the far left corner. Measurement for this lip, we have 1.5 inches. Film can be peeled off for the stainless steel finish for this wall mount. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website, coolerdepotUSA.com, for more information on this product. Thank you.